On the screen is a list of the current CBT centers, and it's very important that you know it. That's why I'm bringing it to you. I'm going to give it to you state by state so that you know where to go for your JAMB registration and for your JAMB exam, right? By the way, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB past questions on the 4 subjects we'll be writing. I'm also going to give you free JAMB syllables. These are the materials that will help you to pass, right? These are the materials that will help you to pass. So just watch this video from beginning to the end, as will help you to cover the CBT centers near you, not minding your state. Remember that there are JAMB computer-based test centers across all the states in Nigeria, including Abuja. Whether you are in Ibadan, whether you are in Lagos, whether you are in Enugu, where I am, whether you are in PH, no matter where you are, there are JAMB centers all across. And I've told you in the other video that it is in this JAMB center that you will write your exam. JAMB is not like WAEC or NECO where you stay in your school to write, but this one you have to go to an accredited center. Also, at the end of this video, if you watch from beginning to the end, I am going to give you a copy of this particular the PDF of this list of CBT centers so that you can also locate your states, okay? So that you can also locate your state. In this list, there are about 893 JAMB accredited CBT centers. 893. You will write in just one of these centers. Just one of these centers is where you will be writing your exam. So what you need to do is to focus. Let's start from those in Abuja. If you are in Abuja, that's FCT, you can see that you have places in Gwagwalada, Abuja, Buare, Krudu, Maitama, and all the rest. So I won't begin to list them out for you, but even in Life Camp, Buare, Gusei. Okay, for those in Zamfara, you have in Gusei, you have in Maru, you have Damaturu, Potiskum for those in Yobe. So there are a lot. The names, I believe you can see the names on this list. What you need to do is to keep watching. If you need me to send you this material I am reading from, I could send it to you so that you'll watch. Those in Sokoto, you have centers in Sokoto. Those in Rivers State, you have centers in Port Harcourt South, in Eleme, in Oyigbo, in Elelenwo. You have centers all across PH. You have centers in Port Harcourt South, Elele. You have centers in Eleme. You have everywhere. Okay, that's for those in Rivers. If you are in Plateau, you have centers in Jos, you have centers in Gindiri, Mangu, you have centers everywhere, no matter where you are. If you are in Oyo State, you have centers in Ibadan East, Ibadan West. So when you get this particular material, you'll be able to see the particular schools or computer centers where you can go for your computer exam. Your JAMB exam. If you are in Oyo, there is a center in Keshi. Okay, let's move up a bit. Even if I don't call your state, I will give you this material if you join our YouTube channel and watch this video to the end. So Nasarawa, you have centers in Lafia, Mararaba, and Masaka, and many other places. In Lagos, you have in Yaba, in Badagry, in Ikorodu, in Oba. So they are just in Aja, in Festac Town, in Okoka, in Lagos Island, in Badagry. You have quite a lot of centers in Lagos, right? Just a lot. When I send you this material, you can pinpoint your location, and know the particular place to go for your registration. Are you following? Okay. In Kwara, we have in Irole, in Iroko, in Alfa. We have in Kogi, we have in Kaba, you have in Lokoja, you have in Okene, right? We have several in Kaba, we have in Eda, we have in Idaba, Ayiba, we have in Ampa. If you are in Kebi, you have in Benin Kebi, we have in Ogungu, right? We have in Zuru, we have in Jega. They are just, if you are in Katsina, I have in Katsina, I have in the Dosima, Fontua. So I will send you this material so that you can even begin to look at it and locate your own state, right? You can look at it and locate the particular state you are in. But if you are in Kano, you have in Kano, you have in Dambata, you have in, there are just a lot of them. Remember, if you watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus, and I'm also going to share this JAMB CBT material to you so that you can locate your own location. Are you with me? Yeah, if you are in Kaduna, you can go to Kafanchan. There is in Kaduna South, there is in Zaria. Okay, there is a lot in Zaria, a lot in Kaduna, a lot in there is quite a lot. If you are in Jigawa, you go to Duse, Kazaura. If you are in Imo, there is centers in Owerri, in Olo, in Mbaise, in Nekede. You know, there is centers in Okigwe. If you are in Gombe, you have in Gombe, you have in Doku. If you are in Enugu, I am in Enugu too. You have centers in Nsukka, Madoka University CBT Center 3, Madoka University CBT Center 4. There are about 5 CBT centers in Madoka University. Madoka University, of course, all of us in Enugu knows it. It's at Ekwebe. If you are in Enugu, you can go to Emene, Maris Polytechnic, Rochas Foundation College. They are quite Oji River. You can go to Oba in Nsukka. You can go to in Ekiti. You have Igede Ekiti, Ijore Ekiti, Oye Ekiti. If you are in Edo, you have Benin City, Auchi, Ova, Ekpoma, right? So they are just, all those places are there. You can go there. If you are in Ebo, you have centers in Ikwo, in Abakaliki, in Afikpo, right? When I send you this material, you can find out the particular places to go for your JAMB CBT center. Okay? If you are in Delta, we have in Abraka, we have in Efuru, we have in Ogwashiukwu, we have in Uweli. Alright? I told you that JAMB CBT centers are scattered across. Wherever you are, there is a JAMB office and JAMB accredited center close to you that you can walk in and do your registration. If you are in Benue, you can go to Boko, Makode, BIU. There is a lot. There is quite a lot, right? If you are in Bayelsa, go to Yenagoa. There is places in Amasoma, Imiringi, Toru, Orua. Now you can also ask me to tell you the particular place to go, right? You can tell me your location. If you are in Anambra, there is centers in Onitsha, in Nnewi, in Adas, in Nuku. There is a centers in Oka, in Oko. There is places in Nsugbe, in Umunzi, and all the rest. That is for Anambra State. If you are in Akwa Ibom, you can go to Ikot Edibon. Ikot Ekpene, they are just Uyo. Adamawa, you can go to Yola, Mubi, Yola. There are just a lot of centers in those places. For Abia, you have Okoko, Itemu, Mudike, and all the rest. So if you want me to send you this list so you can look at it, I'll send it to you free of charge. If you want me to send you free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus, what you need to know is just do 4 things for me. Join our YouTube channel. You can see a link or an option to join. Click on join, then like this video. If you like this video, also share this video. When you share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe, just type on subscribe and turn on the notification. Subscribe. When you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. I have subscribed. When you tell me I have subscribed, I will send those materials free of charge to you. There is a video I am leaving on the screen. Click on it and begin to watch.